The amount of time it takes to get a divorce in Arizona varies case by case. However, each divorce will go through basic steps, and some of these steps have time requirements. The following article provides basic timelines to file for a divorce in Arizona. The first step is for the petitioner, the spouse who is seeking the divorce, to fill out and file a form asking the court to dissolve his or her marriage. The petitioner must state the reason for the divorce. Arizona revised statutes requires that the petition state that the marriage is irretrievably broken or that one or both of the parties desire to live separate and apart. If the marriage is a covenant marriage, then the petition must state any of the grounds for dissolution as prescribed under Arizona law. The petition will also state the details of any children of the marriage, the length of residence in Arizona, and any relief that the petitioner wants to ask from the court. The necessary forms for seeking the dissolution of marriage will be filled out by your lawyer, but you can also obtain them directly from the court. The respondent, the one who is served the divorce papers, must then file a response. If the respondent lives in Arizona, he or she must file a response within 20 days of being served the form. If the respondent lives outside of Arizona, they must file a response within 30 days. The time to file the response starts counting from the day after the service was done. When you receive the copy of the divorce petition, it is very important to file a response. If the court does not receive any response from the respondent, the petitioner can apply for a default hearing for the court to grant the divorce. At a default hearing, the respondent's legal rights may be affected adversely, even if he or she is not present in the court. In Arizona, state law requires that you wait 60 days from the date of service of the divorce papers before the court can grant a divorce. This is a cooling-off period for the parties to reflect on whether they really want the divorce. At the end of the cooling-off period, it is usually apparent to everyone whether the divorce will be uncontested or contested. Either the parties can agree on the terms of the divorce, or they cannot agree. Some potential issues may crop up, including how to share property, who gets custody of the children, and other matters involving the marriage. At JacksonWhite, we have over 25 years of combined experience helping Arizona families with divorce matters. Our skilled team treats all of our clients with respect, understanding, and compassion. We thoroughly understand what needs to be done in each unique situation and will do everything in our power to ensure that your family makes it through this difficult period, while also setting you up with a positive future. Call the Family Law Team at 480-415-1283 to discuss your case today.